Hello students, Kajal is back with you. Today we are going to deal with a very innovative way of doing maths. Okay, this is what I have discovered very recently and I would love to share with you. Students, this is a trick to multiply any number by 25. It is damn easy. I'll tell you how. For example, if you have a number, for example, if it is 36 multiplied by 25. Now these are both two-digit numbers, है ना difficult. I'll tell you a trick to it. कैसे करो? 36 को 4 से divide करो. This becomes 9 and put 2 zeros. That's it. 36 multiplied by 25 is nothing but 900. Okay, students, we can do this with big numbers as well. For example, if it is 144 multiplied by 25. So, don't you think this is a big number? I'll tell you the trick. 144 upon 4, that is divided by 4, 4 3s are 12, 4 6 are 24, put 2 zeros, 3600. This is the answer. Students, don't you think this is very easy? We can do this with very large numbers as well. Okay, for example, if we have a very big numbers such as 1, 2, 6, 4 multiplied by 25. Okay, I've randomly taken a number that came to my mind. I haven't learnt or magnified this number. Just if it is a big number like this, 1, 2, 6, 4 multiplied by 25. Now how will you do this? What you have to do is 1, 2, 6, 4 upon 4. How will you divide this? 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 4 1s are 4, 4 6 are 24. Just add 2 zeros. That's it. So this is the answer to this. Students, don't you think this is damn easy? Please like, share and subscribe to my video. This is the shortest video I have made till now. The long form of course, but this is the shortest video. And see how easy is maths. Thank you so much for liking my videos, sharing, subscribing. See you in the next class.